Do you know that delicious cakes can be made without sugar, an oven, or guilt? Welcome to this video where we're going to explore the concept of vegan cake recipes that are quick, easy, and guilt-free. Yes, you read that right. No sugar, no oven, and no guilt. Who wouldn't want that, right? We've all been there, struggling to find healthier dessert options that don't compromise on taste. Maybe you're trying to cut down on sugar, or you're lactose intolerant, or perhaps you just want to make some vegan friends happy. Whatever the reason, finding a delicious and healthy dessert can be a challenge. I mean, have you scrolled through social media and seen all those drool-worthy cakes and pastries, only to realize they're loaded with sugar and unhealthy fats? It can be super frustrating. And what about those vegan recipes that promise the world but end up tasting like cardboard? Yeah, we've all been there too. So what if I told you that you could have your cake and eat it too? Literally. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you not one, not two, but 3 vegan cake recipes that can be made without sugar and without using an oven. Yes, you read that right. No oven required. These recipes are not only healthier, but they're also incredibly easy to make and require minimal ingredients. Let's dive right in. Our first recipe is a banana bread cake. Craving a sweet treat without turning on the oven? This no-bake banana bread cake is your answer. Made with wholesome ingredients like ripe bananas, creamy coconut cream, and nutty almond flour. It's a guilt-free indulgence that's perfect for any time of day. It's creamy, it's delicious, and it's perfect for a quick dessert or snack. Ingredients: 2 ripe bananas mashed at ½ cup of almond flour, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1/4 cup of coconut cream, whipped, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, melted, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt. Optional, 1/4 cup chopped walnuts or vegan chocolate chips. The best part, it's ready in just 5 minutes. Instructions: prep your bowl. In a large bowl, combine the mashed bananas, maple syrup, and melted coconut oil. Stir until well combined. Mix it up. Add almond flour, vanilla extract, and salt to the wet ingredients. Mix until a thick batter forms. Fold in extras. Gently fold in chopped walnuts or chocolate chips if desired. Chill time. Pour the batter into a small loaf pan or individual serving dishes. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or until firm. Top it off. Once set, top with whipped coconut cream. Tips: for a richer flavor, use dark chocolate chips. Add chopped nuts or seeds for extra texture. If you prefer a sweeter treat, increase the amount of maple syrup. Serve with fresh fruit or a dollop of vegan whipped cream for an extra special treat. Our second recipe is a chocolate avocado cake that's rich, decadent, and utterly sinful. Who would have thought that avocados could be used to make a cake? This no-bake vegan chocolate avocado cake is a delicious and healthy treat. The avocado adds a rich and creamy texture without sacrificing flavor. Yields 8 servings, prep time 30 minutes, chill time 2 hours. Ingredients: for the crust, 1 cup of dates, pitted, 1/2 cup of almonds, raw, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, a pinch of salt. For the filling, 2 ripe avocados, 1/2 cup of maple syrup, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of almond butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt. For the topping, fresh berries, vegan chocolate chips. Instructions: prepare the crust. In a food processor, combine dates, almonds, cocoa powder, and salt. Pulse until the mixture forms a sticky dough. Press the dough into the bottom of an 8-inch springform pan. Place it in the refrigerator to set. Make the filling. In a food processor, combine avocados, maple syrup, cocoa powder, almond butter, vanilla extract, and salt. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour the filling over the chilled crust. Assemble and chill. Decorate the top of the cake with fresh berries and vegan chocolate chips. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours for the cake to set. Tips: for a richer flavor, use dark chocolate cocoa powder. You can add other mix-ins to the filling, such as chopped nuts or shredded coconut. For a fudgier texture, let the cake chill for longer. Are you craving a burst of sunshine in your mouth? Our third recipe is a lemon blueberry cake made with soaked cashews, lemon juice, and frozen blueberries. This no-bake lemon blueberry cake is the perfect treat. It's tangy, it's refreshing, it's sweet, and it's perfect for any occasion. Ingredients: 1 cup of raw cashews, soaked for at least 2 hours, 1/2 cup of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, melted, zest of 1 lemon, 1/4 cup of blueberries. Optional, lemon curd for topping. Instructions: prep the cashews. Drain and rinse the soaked cashews. Blend the base. In a high-speed blender, combine cashews, lemon juice, maple syrup, coconut oil, and lemon zest. Blend until smooth and creamy. Fold in blueberries. Gently fold in the blueberries to prevent crushing. Assemble. Pour the mixture into a loaf pan or individual serving dishes. Chill. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours or until firm. Optional toppings: a dollop of lemon curd, fresh blueberries, or a sprinkle of lemon zest can elevate this cake to the next level. These cakes are not only healthy, but they're also incredibly delicious and satisfying. I mean, who wouldn't want a guilt-free dessert that tastes like the real deal? And the best part? You don't need any special equipment or skills to make them. Just mix, blend, and chill. That's it. So to recap, in this video, we've explored the concept of vegan cake recipes that are quick, easy, and guilt-free. We've talked about the common challenges faced by people looking for healthier dessert options. And we've showcased 3 delicious vegan cake recipes that can be made without sugar and without using an oven. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you try out these recipes, please do share your feedback in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more guilt-free dessert ideas and recipes. Happy baking!